Shalom and welcome to our second lesson. Let's get started. Vav is the seventh letter. It's pronounced as a V as in vine, transliterates as a W. The numerical value is 6. Zayin is the eighth letter. It's pronounced as a Z as in zebra, transliterates as a Z. Its numerical value is 7. Ket is the ninth letter. It is pronounced as a CH, as in the German word bark. So it's a k, catches in the throat. It transliterates as a H with a dot underneath. The numerical value is 8. Tet is the 10th letter. It is pronounced as T as in tea. The numerical value is 9. Yod, the 11th letter. It is pronounced as Y as in you. Numerical value 10. Kaf, the 12th letter. It has a dagesh and is pronounced as K as in keep. It has two forms. The end form is called the soffit or the final form. Remember that Hebrew is written from right to left. The end form is the one on the furthest left. Kaf, with spelt K-H-A-F, is the 13th letter. It is the same as kaf without the dagesh, pronounced with a K-H as in bark. It's similar to the ket as the pronunciation. It also has two forms. The numerical value is 20. Lamed is the 14th letter. It is pronounced as an L, as in light. Numerical value 30. Mem has two forms also. It is the 15th letter. It is pronounced as M as in mat, and its numerical value is 40. Nun is the 16th letter. It is pronounced as N as in new, and it also has a final. Numerical value is 50. Thanks, I hope you've enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you next time.